Hi guys, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we are going to create a notification toast using Python. So let's go and let's get it. For this project, we need a specific library. The name of the library is Win10 Toast, which means Windows 10 Toast notification. Okay, so go to terminal and command it pip install Win10 Toast. Okay, it's installed successfully. Next, we are move on to our program. After downloading the library, just we need to import the library. So giving a command as from Winton toast import toast notifier. We are just importing a toast notifier from that library Winton toast. Okay. Next we are going to create a variable and we are going to assign the function. So let's see, we are going to create a variable which is k and equal to toast notifier. In this toast notifier, the t and n must be in caps and it's a function, so we need to type parentheses, and with this variable k we are going to give call another function which is show toast. That's all. Totally 3 line of the code is the project. Okay, within this parentheses of this show toast, we are going to give a title, message, duration and icon path. First we are going to create a title of this toast notifier. Next, message of the toast notifier. Next, the duration to show the toast notification to us and this icon path. Okay, so let me have a space here. I have already mentioned that we are going to give 4 things in this show toast: title, message, duration and last icon path. So okay, let me give this icon path maybe later. First we are going to give the title, message and duration. Okay, in for this title I'm going to give hey viewer. Okay, hey viewer. Okay, it's done. Next, in message, subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics, because viewing this most of them viewing the video but not hitting the subscribe button. Why? Okay, it's their opinion. Let's move on to our project. Okay, subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics. Next, in duration I'm going to give this 5, because the notification will appear only for 5 seconds. Okay, just we are going to run the program. Before running, I will need to explain the whole program. We are just importing the library which I have downloaded before, and we are assigning a variable to a function, and we using that variable we are calling another function which is show toast and giving title, message and duration. Okay, let me run it. Okay, see there is hey viewer, subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics, but it went too quickly. Let me change the duration to 10 seconds. Okay, see there, hey viewer, subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics. Okay, but the missing part is this icon. We are going to update this icon now. So before updating the icon path, we are going to create the icon. Okay, just minimize this window. I'm already having my YouTube channel logo here. So see, here is a logo, and the properties is basically the image will be saved in JPG or PNG. In my case, it's saved in JPG, so I'm going to Google it JPG to icon converter. It's not a promotion video, so just keep it in mind. I'm just like this website to convert JPG to icon extension. So okay, I'm drag and drop the image, start conversion, and it's done. Okay, let me download it, and I need to save in my directed path. Let me choose it. Okay, I have downloaded. I'm going to copy that file. Okay, see here there are 2 images. One is with JPG extension and another one is icon extension. See here. Okay, ICO is icon extension. Let me copy this and paste in our project directory file. which is see here. Right click this and open in Explorer. Okay, in this Python and save here. Replace file destination. Okay, I'm going to call the icon path where I have saved my icon. So here the name is kkr.ico with extension. Okay, then let me run it. So see here, that's my icon and my title and my message. So the videos came to an end. Okay guys, let me meet in next video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.